We had a very wild first week of February so far. First, we had the bull run from the 3rd to the 6th. Today is the very bearish downtrend, and Dow was down 314.15 right now, and it still keep declining. And then we have Tesla stock, wild bull run, and then very bearish shorting. Right now the chart is showing a bearish pattern, which is called the evening star bearish pattern. It's very bearish for the Tesla investor at this point of time. After all, I made over $6,000. Exact is $6,330.12. Active income is about $5,677. Passive income, including the dividends and then fully paid lending program gain, was about $652.25. 99.9% of those incomes are from my eTrade investments from the stocks. And only $4.48 dividends are from M1 Finance. So I will go over with you those details earnings. So if you like to support this channel, please feel free to subscribe. It's all free for you to do, but it's a big support for me, help me to grow this channel. And then hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when my new videos comes out. Thank you. I will give a quick review for my performance at eTrade. I have 3 accounts with eTrade. I have taxable account, and then Roth IRA account, and rollover account. So for my taxable account from February the 3rd to February the 7th, I made a total realized gain about $5,600.24. These are not paper gain. These are actual trade gains, actual cash that I gained from my trades. As you can see, mostly from Tesla buy and sell and stuff. Total is $5,624. All right, so total commission I paid is $10.14. You can see they don't charge you any commission when you buy stocks. You can see the exact dollars amount when you buy, but when you sell, they have to pay, eTrade have to pay the market maker the fees. All right, so that's how the fees coming out. The most fees I can tell is mostly coming from this 2,000 something dollars gain I sold on the 4th of February. I bought on the 3rd. I sold the share is about 7:47 a.m. in the a.m. It's a pre-market time, so it will charge higher fee, but I sold it anyways. All right, so these are all swing trades results and day trade results. I made very little gain from my Roth IRA account. Is only $77.63 for the week of February the 3rd to the 7th. You may ask me a question, why you have to trade in your taxable account, not in the Roth IRA account? Well, I have 2 answers to your questions. Number 1 answer is I'm holding a lot more cash in my taxable account. Second biggest reason I'm trading in my taxable account, regardless I have to pay tax, is because it's a margin account. I don't use margin, I don't borrow cash, but I have the freedom of not obey the PDT rule, and then whichever the dollar I purchased and sold, I can get this dollar amount right away. I can make another second trade. So it's much easier for me to do multiple trades within short period of time. So that's the reason. Another big gain from my investment with eTrade for my taxable account is the dividend I receive from AT&T. AT&T gives out dividends quarterly. So on February the 3rd, it gives me dividend. It gave me dividend about $579.54, and then eTrade automatically did a drip for me, reinvested my dividends back into the original security. So it purchased 15 shares, 15.50097 shares AT&T for me automatically. So those dividend are reinvested into the holdings that I'm having with etrade. They purchase the price is at $37.3873. It's automatic drip program that I like about etrade. You don't have to worry about reinvest by yourself. It's automatically do it for you, but you just have to sign up with the drip plan. That's it. For my rollover account, I also received $22.50 from Bristol Myers. They gave out a dividend also on the 3rd of February, and also automatically repurchased 0.3521 fractional shares of Bristol Myers automatically for me at $63.90 something cents. All right, so I also assigned this Bristol Myers into my drip plan. A third and a very important income source from etrade that is total passive is fully paid lending program, in which etrade will lend your shares you own to people who own the margin account who doesn't have the share but want to have the shares. They charge them a premium. Those are the interest rate they charge those borrowers. For example, this one, if etrade charge the borrower 20% of interest, then etrade will take 10%. They will give me the 10%, and then incomes are accrued daily. So for rollover account, I have total so far for this week from the 3rd to 6th, which is 4 days, is $20.41. For today's income will be posted tomorrow, so I have no way to know at the time of this recording. Will be posted Saturday morning, so I will know tomorrow. Roth IRA, I have a total of $15.31 for those 4 days. So this third source of income important because it's totally passive and it's there all the time. So on monthly basis, I usually have a little over $200, maybe 220 something, 230 something dollars. So if you add up for a year, it's like $2,500. So it's a source of passive income you probably cannot ignore. I'll give a quick review of my M1 Finance performance in February, first week of February from the 3rd to the 7th. The time of this recording is about 12:46 p.m. So as you know, I have 3 accounts with M1 Finance. I have taxable individual account, Roth IRA account, and traditional IRA account. 3 accounts total currently is around $108,622.81, among which about 40.5% I'm holding in cash, and then about 59.5% I'm holding in different stocks, bonds, and ETFs. So as you can see in the taxable account, in this week, I have a total return of about 2.6%. Considering today is a big down day, still I have 2.6% in gain. Total gain is $611.45. Earned dividends is about $3.04. For the Roth IRA account, I total have a gain of 2.7%. In dollars is $371.20. The earned dividends is about $1.44. For traditional IRA account for this week, I have a total gain of 3.61%. In dollars is $910 gain in cash, and dividend earned dividend is $0. No dividend earnings this week. All right, due to the fact that today is a big down day, so today I decided to buy at the 3 p.m. $300 each for each account, about $900 something. So you can see I just put in the $300 buy order not long ago. So it will execute for me, and then the robot already calculated for me that for the traditional IRA account, I have 7 buys. The details is like this, okay? We'll divide all these dollars and cents into those holdings I'm having. The reason is not 8 buys but 7 buys is because ABBV, as you can see, this one portion sticking out. ABBV reported a very good earning today. The percentage I assigned it to ABBV is only 10%, and then it's exceeding 10% at 10.8% currently. The robot decided not to buy this security, so this is very intelligent robot advisor. So I love how it assigned to the buying. I don't have to worry, just putting the dollars, and it will calculate for me which security it will buy and how much dollar it will buy. So for Roth IRA, I also assigned about $300 into the buying. Total holding, I have 47 holdings, and then it's calculated that I have 39 buys. It's also because of about 8 other stocks or holdings I'm having is outperform the percentage that I'm assigning to. So out of $303.35, you can see all these dollars and cents allocated to different holdings that I'm giving to my Roth IRA account. So let's look at individual taxable account. I also give about, the order is about $300. Actually, it's $323.38. And then I have 52 holdings in this account in particular, and then it assigned to me 33 buys by the robot advisor calculation because of the other 19 securities I'm holding is outperformed. So you can see all these dollars and cents are assigned to those securities that I'm holding in this account. I don't have to do anything of this calculation. Just really give me the hands-free investing. All I need to do is just put in the dollars. I just want to quickly add one point here. The reason I'm holding about 40.5% cash in my 3 accounts with M1 is because I'm preparing for the downturn days like today. Because market has too much uncertainties at this point of time, we can never know which day is gonna go up, which day is gonna go down. Today, the market go down so much, so I can deploy some of my cash into work. So that's all for my review for this week. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comment below. And if you like to see this kind of weekly review, please also leave in the comment below. Let me know, and I will do this kind of review on weekly basis.